Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check news on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my town, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. New, if you want to check the news and the update settings, just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button. New, go to the second section, the news, next to the settings, and here actually I just have one news, the update, it's Spring in Township. And if you click to the learn more button, you can see what is this news, and you can collect that. Oh, good. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.